Did you know Einstein won the Nobel Prize but wasn't even in the room when they gave it to him? It was 1921. The committee had been dodging the question for years. They knew Einstein was the most important scientist alive. Everyone knew. But relativity felt too strange, too radical, too hard to officially crown. So they gave him the prize for the photoelectric effect instead. A real discovery. A worthy one. But not the idea that had already rewritten the universe. And Einstein? He was on a ship somewhere between Japan and Europe, completely unbothered. Think about that for a second. The establishment took the most famous scientific idea of the 20th century and quietly set it aside because it made them uncomfortable. They handed the greatest mind in the world a smaller trophy and hoped nobody noticed. He noticed. He just didn't care. Because Einstein never needed their approval to know what was true. The universe had already confirmed it. The Nobel Committee was just catching up, slowly, on their own terms, years too late. Truth doesn't wait for a committee vote.